Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, integration of the Kaveri engine with LCA Tejas remain under consideration. India's plans to integrate the indigenously developed Kaveri engine with the light combat aircraft Tejas fighter jet prototype is still on as per the latest information provided. According to sources familiar with the program, limited flight trials are expected to be conducted by the end of this decade, serving as crucial technology demonstrators. Next, US Contractor keen to be part of India's AMCA Program. Honeywell India, a prominent US contractor in the aerospace and defense sector, has expressed its keen interest in participating in India's upcoming 5th generation fighter jet program, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. The project, a collaborative effort between the Aeronautical Development Agency and HAL, aims to develop a cutting-edge indigenous fighter aircraft for the Indian Air Force. Next, Kenya explores procurement of LCA Prachand Helicopter from India. In a significant stride towards enhancing its defense capabilities, Kenya is exploring the procurement of LCA Prachand multi-role fighter attack helicopter from India. Adan Bear Dule, the Kenyan Cabinet Secretary for Defense, is currently in India and is set to visit the state-owned facility of HAL in Bangalore. During this visit, he will be introduced to the LCA Prachand helicopter, a state-of-the-art aircraft that could potentially bolster Kenya's security department. Next, Polish Warmate loitering drones make their debut in the Indian Army. In a significant development, the first visuals of the advanced Polish Warmate loitering drones in the possession of the Indian Army have emerged, catching the attention of defense enthusiasts and experts alike. These cutting-edge drones are poised to play a pivotal role in enhancing the Indian Armed Forces capabilities, introducing a new level of flexibility and precision to modern warfare. Next, high-resolution aerial drone-based SAR system for all-weather imaging. Bengaluru, often hailed as India's technological hub, has become the nucleus of innovation once again with the inauguration of groundbreaking high-resolution aerial drone-based synthetic aperture radar system, that is SAR, by Galaxy Eye Space, a pioneer space tech startup. The system is set to revolutionize Earth observations capabilities by providing exceptionally detailed and high-resolution all-weather imaging even in the face of challenging conditions like rain and clouds. Next, protests and demands shake Gilgit Baltistan amid rising tension. Gilgit Baltistan, a region nested in the heart of the Himalayas and a part of Pakistan, has once again become a focal point of discontent and turmoil as locals take to the streets to voice their grievances against the Pakistani government. The protesters in large numbers are demanding the immediate release of their leader and have issued strong warnings of dire consequences if their demands are not met. Next, BEL makes vehicle for NDRF to respond to biological chemical disasters. State-owned Bharat Electronic Limited has designed and manufactured a vehicle for the National Disaster Response Force to respond to incidents involving hazardous chemical, biological or radiological substances, a release said. Next, Air Force to secure Delhi's airspace during G20 summit. Jets on standby mode. Indian Air Force fighter planes will be on the standby mode to keep a close watch on any suspicious activity in Delhi sky, including UAVs or drones, as the national gets ready to host the G20 summit, a senior official from a department engaged in airport operations said. Thank you.